introduction. Content. 1. Start the simulation software. 2. Software interface and function introduction. 3. Explanation of P3015A model software use case. Part 1. Start the simulation software. Hello, everyone. Today's training introduces the interface and functions of BODOR Thinker 3 software. This training uses version 15.016 software to demonstrate the functions and interfaces. This demo software is opened in the different way as BODOR Pro 1 and BODOR Pro 2 demo software. Please study it carefully. First, find the software icon or shortcuts on the desktop, right-click, open the location of the file. Pull down to find the software named NC Studio Simulators BAT and double-click to open it. This process is to find and open the simulation system control board to drive the normal operation of the simulation software. After the control board is opened, double-click to start the software. After shielding the warning, the software can operate normally. Part 2. Software interface and function introduction. One interface introduction. After opening the software, it is mainly divided into 3 areas: machine operation and warning display area, function switching area, and software button operation area. First, explain the machine operation and warning display area. There are 3 indicator lights in the upper left corner: red stop, yellow standby, and green cutting. In the warning display area, we can know the number of alarms and warning contents. Double-click the warning contents to enter the warning details interface. Double-click the alarm again to know the trigger time, cause and reference solution of the alarm. Next, let's introduce the function switching area, which is divided into 8 functions: draw, machine, technic, monitor, report, set, maintain, and advanced. 1. The draw interface is mainly used to import file, edit, draw graphics, nest and set cutting parameters, etc. The operation is basically the same as that of BODOR Pro 2 software. Let's focus on nest. After importing cutting graphics, right-click to add the selected graphics to the parts list and enter the required count. Check the graphics to be nest. part selection and plate selection. Post-processing. Include co-edge or sort. Nest parameters. Include plate margin, part space, rotation angle, starting position, and direction. Remnant. After enabling the generation remnant, you can select the type of remnant. After all parameters are set, click OK to perform automatic nest. The nesting result will be displayed on the left side of the software. After Nest, a report can be generated. Click Production Report and Nest Report. The machine interface is different in two different processing modes. In the nimble mode, it mainly watches the processing track, processing process in time, and can also set the processing auxiliary functions, such as edge finding before processing, table exchange after processing, etc. In batch processing mode, it not only has the function of flexible processing, but also has multi-drawing machining queue display and edit technique, edit file, etc. Technic interface. Technic interface is the cutting parameter list, which can back up parameters, restore, and material management. For monitor interface, which is also divided into 3 modules: external device, port setting, log list, etc. The external device mainly monitors the laser head focus, laser source, cutting gas pressure, and follow-up process. Port setting is mainly used to display the status of input and output ports, and check the possibility of problems through the test of port functions in case of problems. Log list mainly displays operation information, warnings, errors, etc. to facilitate recording and troubleshooting. Operation report is mainly used to record a cutting, simulation, and dry run operation process. Set. This interface reports 5 functions, namely common parameter, system parameter, follow, laser device setting, and setting for machine maintenance regular reminder. Among the common parameters, we need to know the frame check speed and the machine tool motion parameters, user habit setting, follow-up control setting, gas parameter setting, burst parameter setting, and unit switch. The system parameters are the machine tool and function parameter settings, which generally do not need to be modified. The follow-up parameter settings generally do not need to be modified. When cutting the plate with film, it is necessary to enable the non-metal calibration function to calibrate the laser film. For machine maintenance regular reminder, we can edit and modify the content and time of machine maintenance regular reminder, and let the software remind us regularly. (7) Maintenance interface. The maintenance interface mainly includes machine tool homing operation, manual lubrication, focus control, laser monitoring software opening and automatic nozzle exchange function settings. (8) Advanced System Settings. You can mainly see the current version information of the system, software parameter backup, language modification, software restart and shutdown, etc. Part 3. Explanation of P3015A model software use case. This time mainly explains the PA operation mode and signal trigger. Cutting pattern nesting and cut parameter setting. 1. Set target number 3 and clear current number to 0. 2. Set front table and back table empty. 3. Select the number of suction cups according to the plate size. 4. Set automatic control, and if all signals are normal, the ready indicator will turn green. 4. Highest position, 1.00. Signal indicator turn black. Detection in situ, 1.04. Signal indicator turn green. Material detection switch, 1.07. Signal indicator turn black. Upper position of sucker, 0.01. Signal indicator turn black. Fork in place, 0.05. Signal indicator turn green. Sucker trolley at negative position, 0.09. Signal indicator turn black. Fork discharge / open, 3.06. All settings are complete and ready indicator turn green, press start. The vacuum pump works and sucks up the plate through a negative pressure greater than 44 bar. After the plate is placed, start to exchange the table. After the machine sends the signal Z-axis safety, a machine sends the table exchange signal to the machine. When the A machine and control card receive signal table stop and in position, a machine will send workbench exchange complete signal 1s and start cutting signal 0.5s. According to Machine Assist, if select edge finding and frame check before cutting, machine will run these functions first. While cutting, a machine is also running the feeding action. After cutting, the machine will send cutting completion signal to a machine. At the same time, the table will exchange. After cutting and table exchange, the display of a machine will change. For back table, the state will change to finish. After the table exchange, the status of a machine shows that the cutting is completed, and the fork will discharge. The fork rises to the highest position and the sicker trolley is transported to the lower part of the fork.